this problem, identity 7 with the binomial theorem. All right, so we have a minus b cubed. And we want to expand with the binomial theorem, right? Which is called binomial expansion. All right, a minus b cubed is equal to, got our a cubed minus, for our first one, let's look at our Pascal's triangle. N equals 3, so our next coefficient is 3. 3a, take one away and add one of these. Now plus 3, take one away, add one of these, minus, our coefficient is 1 again, b cubed, and it checks out. All right, let's look at another more complicated example, and maybe this one will make a lot of sense now that we've already looked at a couple other ones. So in this case, I want to expand one half x minus 2y to the 4th power. All right, so what is our a? A equals 1/2 x, or also known as x over 2. B equals 2y, or negative 2y, but as long as you remember the plus minus equals 2y. N equals 4. All right, so we start the beginning with, let's move down here so we have room, a to the nth power minus, right? So when n equals 4, we know, according to Pascal's triangle, that our coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. We can make note of that if we want, that the coefficients are 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay? We have our 1. So let's say minus 4 times a cubed, b, now plus 6 a squared b squared minus, because we just did plus, we do minus 4 times a, just 1 now, 2y cubed, back to plus 2y to the 4th power. All right, so let's look at simplifying this one. X over 2 to the 4th power is the same as x to the 4th over 2 to the 4th, so 16, minus x cubed, so minus 4, times x cubed over 2 cubed, which 8, times 2y, plus 6 x squared over 4. 2 squared is 4 times y squared, minus 4 x over 2. 2 cubed is 8y cubed. All right, plus 2 to the 4th is 16y to the 4th. All right, can we simplify it anymore? Yes, x to the 4th over 16, change stays the same, minus, now we have 4 times x times q, because remember, this is the same as over 1 over 1, and you multiply straight across. So you can combine all the top and just keep what's on the bottom, unless you have two fractions, you know, and technically you do, it's just over 1. So that's 4x cubed times 2y over 8 plus 6x squared times 4y squared over 4 minus 4x times 8y cubed over 2 plus 16y to the 4th. You can simplify this even further, all right? Not the first or last digit. We're so done with those. 4 times 2 is 8. X cubed y over 8. Uh-oh, we have two digits that are going to cancel out in a minute. Plus 6 times 4 over 4. Guess what's going to happen? Those 4s are going to cancel out. So it's going to be 6x squared y squared minus, we have 4 times 8, which is 32 over 2. So let's just go ahead and write it for the fun of it. 32xy cubed over 2 plus 16y to the 4th. Well, if we notice the pattern here, most of these are going to have something cancel out. It's just x to the 4th over 16. Your 8's cancel out. Minus x cubed y plus 6x squared y. 32 over 2 minus 16xy cubed plus 16y to the 4th. There are no like terms, so you cannot combine any further. This is your final answer. Now, will you need